Mix lemon with charcoal and you'll be amazed by the result. Ever since I started using this mixture, I've never bought it from the store again. For this simple tip, we'll need a piece of charcoal. It has to be new, never used, okay? Take this piece of charcoal and place it inside a plastic bag, then tie it up tightly and seal it. Once that's done, crush it using any hard object. We're doing this because all we need is the charcoal powder. I'm sure that once you learn this tip, you'll start doing it regularly at home. It's super practical, and I bet it'll help a lot of homemakers. After crushing it well, make a small cut in the corner of the bag, then use a strainer to extract only the fine charcoal powder. Follow this step exactly as I'm showing to get the best results. And let me tell you, this powder is like gold. This tip is widely used in rural areas and farms, where access to chemical cleaning products is often limited. I'm certain you'll be surprised. Now, to finish it off, we'll need a lemon. If possible, use this specific type of lemon because it's more acidic and works better for our recipe. Cut the lemon in half and squeeze all the juice into a container. Once that's done, just mix it with the charcoal powder until you get a smooth, consistent mixture. And I bet you're curious, wondering what this is for. With just these two ingredients, you'll have a powerful aluminum polisher and cleaner. That's right. I imagine everyone has at least one dirty or burnt pan at home with stubborn stains that just won't come off. Well, here's your solution. Simply pour a bit of the mixture directly onto the pan and scrub with a sponge. This mix is so strong that you won't need to apply much pressure. Charcoal is highly abrasive, which helps remove grime and restore shine to your pans. And lemon is one of the most powerful natural cleaning agents, especially when it comes to cutting through deep, greasy residue. You can use this mixture on any aluminum or metal item in your house. It'll remove all kinds of stains and leave behind a stunning shine. Just look at this impressive result. So don't forget to try this at home. I'm sure this tip will help you a lot in your daily routine. It's totally worth it. Not only is it practical, it's also super cheap, and you won't need to waste money on expensive products anymore. That was today's tip. I hope you enjoyed it. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.